Today we will install Docker and execute some Docker commands. Go to session, SSH, username is ec2-user, advanced settings, use private key, DevOps, learners.pem, open, OK, 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 sudo yum update -y. Let's update the packages. Okay, this is 2023. Okay, fine. Next, we will install Docker. Sudo yum install docker -y. Docker -y. Docker version, this one 20.10.25. Okay, next, we need to start the Docker here. Actually, first check the status of the Docker service. Sudo service Docker status. See here, it is inactive, dead. Actually, we need to start the Docker. Start. Okay, enable. Okay, now check the status. Now I have started right. Next, I will check the status. See, right now Docker is active running. Okay, previously it is dead, inactive, dead previously. Now it is active. Okay, next, we need to create one. We need to add the ec2-user to Docker group. Sudo usermod -ag Docker group. User is ec2-user. Add this user to Docker group. Okay, next one is Docker commands to display Docker images available in our machine. The command is docker images. Permission denied. Once exit this one, just give R. Okay, fine. Docker images, because after I need to restart here. Actually, I will show you. After creating this, after adding the user to the Docker group, we should exit the session and we have to restart it. That's why we got the error. We have not done. That's why we got the error in the above. So I have done the exit and restart the machine. Then it connected properly, and the command is also executed properly. Docker images. Okay. Next one is Docker to display running Docker containers. The command is docker ps. Docker ps is used to display the running containers. As of now, there are no containers running. Okay, next, docker ps -a. This will display the running and not running containers. As of now, there are no containers which are running and not running also. Okay, next one, docker pull image name. Example, docker pull image name is example nginx. Okay, let me pull this image, nginx image. Docker pull nginx. Right now we downloaded the image. It's right now downloading the nginx image. Let's check it. Docker images. See, the image got downloaded. Nginx image got downloaded. But let me check the Docker PS, whether the container is running or not. No, Docker PS means there are no containers because we just downloaded the nginx image. Now let me run docker run nginx image. Now you run the docker run nginx image. Previously we pulled the image. Now after downloading the nginx image, we are running the image. Now what will happen? Docker run, command is wrong. Docker run nginx. Now it's running, but we have not given details, but I have not given -d, so it's not allowing us to enter any command. It's running in the foreground, so we should exit this container. See, I will show you. This container is running right now, but it is running in the foreground, so it's not allowing to check anything. See, now you check it. Docker PS, you see that is running right now. Okay, once I see nginx image is running right now. Okay, up 32 seconds ago. Now I'll give Control C. That means it got exited. Let's go and check it here. Docker PS. See that there is that container got exited. Just now only we have given Control C, no? So this got exited. Okay. So we have to run the image in -d, detached mode. Now I will run docker run -d nginx image. This is a detached mode. Okay, right now it is running in the detached mode. It is not so in detached mode we can execute any commands. Suppose you check it, docker ps. This is up and running. See, nginx is up and running because we run this in detached mode. Okay, next one is we need to check the docker logs. How we check the docker logs of a container? This is the container ID. I want to check the logs of this container. Docker logs container ID. Enter. See, in real time we will check the logs like this only. Docker we have to take the docker ps and take the container ID. If you want to check this, check the logs of this container ID. Docker logs container ID like this. If you give means it will show the log, complete log. Okay, next one is docker stop. Right now this container is running, right? Docker ps, it will display running containers. Right now this container is running. Okay, I want to stop this container. Docker stop container ID. See, now you check it. Docker ps, the container is stopped already, so it is not displaying anything. Okay, now we have to start the container. Docker start container ID. It started again. Docker start container ID. Okay, next one is right now this container is running. Let me stop. Can you remove this container? Can you remove the right now? Docker ps. Right now this container is running. Can you try to remove this container? Docker rm container ID. It will not remove because we can't remove the running containers. The containers should be stopped, then only we can remove the container. Okay, but we can remove the container forcibly using -f command. See how we will do: docker rm -f container id. Okay, now give enter. It will remove that forcefully. Now check it, docker ps, nothing is there now, because we removed it now. Forcefully we removed. Next one, docker images. Docker images means docker images. How many images are there? Right now we have one image only, nginx image. I want to remove that image. Docker rmi nginx. So what it is saying, conflict, unable to remove the repository reference nginx must force container is using its reference id. Okay, some other container is using that nginx, so we have to remove that docker. Let me try to do it forcefully, whether it will work or not, I don't know. -f nginx. Okay, docker images. So it worked, guys. Docker rmi -f nginx I given, it removed it forcefully. So after again I given docker images, no images are there right now. Okay, one more command: remove all stopped containers and unused docker images. Docker system prune -a. Yes, remove all the docker containers, stopped containers and unused images. The command is docker system prune -a. This is about docker commands, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.